Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to take a minute tonight. It's like 8:30 at night, so it's late for me, but today I am going to be going through my 2020 goals with you guys. I don't have very many, but I have a handful of them that I'm hoping to accomplish. So my 2020 goals, right now I only have 8 of them. And I'm not really planning on adding any more just because I don't want to be overwhelmed with them and have too much to do. I mean, I know it's 12 months, but still, if you have too much to do, it's just overwhelming and you know you won't get it done. But my 2020 goals, actually, side note, I got a bullet journal yesterday. So I'm super excited. I've just got a mood tracker, and then I am doing a no spin January, so I will definitely be doing a video for that for you guys just to let you know how it went. So we will see how that goes, and a couple other little trackers and everything. But my 2020 goals, I don't have like a major one that I'm going to focus on or some that are more important than the others. They're all pretty much just equal importance and just stuff that I want to have done before 2021 is the next year. But I'll just go through and read them. I've got teach Caleb to read. He's actually really good at his letters and learning when he wants to be. We did start school back up today because we've been off for a while, so we started that back up today. So one of my goals is to get him reading and teach him how to read. He just turned 5 in December, so I know it's a little early, but I figured we'll just start it and see how it goes. So if you've taught a kid how to read, what did you use? Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you taught them with. And the next one is read 20 books in 2020. I figured it's about a book or 2 books every month, so I figured it's very doable. Another one is to continue to grow my YouTube channel and just upload videos and content for you guys and continue to have that growing. And then start blogging. I actually already started a blog and I will link it down below. I used to blog a lot when I was younger, growing up and everything. I think I've closed them all down now. But I used to blog a lot and I wanted to get back to doing that. The next one is I want to start doing personal development every single morning. That's something I'm very bad about, is just sitting down in the mornings and taking time for myself. So the kids, I helped Caleb pick out it's like a thankful gratitude journal, and it's got 1, 2, 3, list 3 things you're thankful for every single morning. So I'm looking forward to doing that. The kids wake up at like 6 o'clock, so I've got my alarm set for 5:30. I used to wake up at 6, like 5:50 to 6 o'clock, but since they're waking up at 6 now, I set it back 30 minutes to 5:30. I'll probably move it back to 5 o'clock, depending on if I'm able to get everything in my morning routine done for myself before they wake up or not. Let's see. Another one is be more courageous and brave. And I actually have 100 Days to Brave that I'm going to start reading every morning again. So there's that. And then lose 24 pounds. That's 2 pounds a month, which is totally doable. Back in 2017, I know I've talked about it before, but back in 2017, I started losing weight after I had Zoe. And so far I've lost 40 pounds and it's just kind of, for about a year, I've been holding steady at the same weight. So it's just kind of stopped. And my BMI is still overweight. So I'm wanting to get that down to a healthy weight. So I just put about 24 pounds. If I start losing weight and before I hit 24 pounds, if I'm happy with where I am and satisfied, of course I'll stop and everything. But that's just the goal, is about 24 pounds. And then the last one is something we're trying to do We've been trying to do it for a while now. We are trying to move back down to Georgia and back down south closer to family, because all of my family, the majority of my family lives in Georgia. I have a sister who lives in Idaho and a brother who lives in Louisiana, but the rest of them live in Georgia. And my husband's parents, they live here with us, but the rest of his family and all his extended family is in Georgia too. So that's like the biggest one that I have on here, is to get back down to Georgia. We've been applying for jobs down there and just trying to think of a way to move down there without just moving down there without a job or anything. So that is the last one. And then hopefully you can see it. I put a Michael Scott quote because I'm a big Office fan. I thought it was funny. But I would love to hear your guys' 2020 goals. If you have any, or if you haven't made them up yet, just let me know what's your number one biggest goal for 2020.